Hey guys, how's it going on? In this video, I will teach you how to fix missing chat history synchronization now in Messenger. So this error usually pops up and I know it's really annoying. So how do you actually fix it? So fixing this is super easy. All you need to do is simply head over to your app store. So let me just head over to my app store. So this is basically an update issue. So head over to your app store, head over to search, and from there you're going to be simply searching for Messenger. So let me type in here Messenger. Here we got that, and update this. You can see on the second place we got a Messenger update pending. I'm going to be updating that, so just wait for a couple of seconds until it completes, and once it does, of course, it is most probably be going to be fixing the issue. So this is usually due to the delays in updates you got. So the history synchronization is popping, that type of basically issues and errors. Let me just open now, and most probably the error should be gone. So you can try this yourself as well, and if you still have any questions, let us know in the comments below. Stay tuned and see you in the next video.